During the last couple of months, I've made $180,000 selling products through social media with the new TikTok Shop affiliate program. You can sell products directly through TikTok. What's crazy is that you don't even have to bother with creating your own store or anything like that. Making money through the TikTok Shop affiliate program has literally never been easier. I've discovered a brand new strategy to go viral and sell products with AI influencers. Like this one, this AI character you're seeing right here is making $11,000 a month. People are making a ton of money doing this, and you can too. I'll be revealing everything you need to know, including the precise AI tools I use, how I use them to make people buy my products, and towards the end, I'll reveal the single biggest TikTok hack that has allowed me to zoom past all my competitors. Finding a product can be hard, but these 4 criteria make it a lot easier. Must solve a problem, must evoke emotions, must be a proven concept, shouldn't need any demonstration. The most basic but most important criteria you need to provide the viewer some kind of solution to a problem they're experiencing. Why? Because it's so much easier to sell. See, when the product solves a problem, there's a clear value exchange. You solve their problem and they give you money for it. Easy, right? Let me show you an example. Many people struggle with pet fur on furniture, and this account is selling a tool that removes it. Simple but genius. People act out of emotions, not logic. So you gotta make sure you get the viewer in their fields. Your product probably won't evoke any emotions itself, but with the right marketing, it can. So, when picking a product, think about if it's possible to market it from an emotional aspect. For example, how skincare brands evoke emotions by pushing on people's insecurities. The odds of you going viral with a product nobody's selling is slim to none. So go for a proven concept, a product that other people are already making money with. If it works for them, odds are it'll work for you. If you want to be able to market the product by just showing no 10-second demonstrations to get the viewer understanding what the product does, people have the attention span of squirrel, so they'll get bored and scroll on to the next video. I found a solution, and the strategy is now complete. With this tool, you'll be able to find trending products before everybody else. It's called Cow Data, basically a software that shows you exactly what products are going viral and how much they're making. It's literally goldmine. What you want to do is click on this button right here that says product. It'll then show you all of the best performing products. Click on them and you'll get a full breakdown of how much they made this one. For example, made $1.8 million in the last 30 days. Insane, right? If you scroll down a bit, it'll even show the accounts that have made the most money with that product. These accounts made many thousands dollars in the last 30 days. So take a look at the top affiliates of your product and analyze their strategy, what content they are posting, how they're promoting the product. Find as much info as you can. Do this on the top 10 affiliates, and you'll have an idea of the most common traits in successful videos. I don't want to bore you out, so I'll do this apart myself and get back to you when I found a viral product. I found this product that's going insane right now. It's some kind of SNAP supplements that's made approximately $2 million in the last 30 days. And why is this better than normal? SNAP supplements, I have no idea. But when reading about it, it sounds like it'll solve world hunger or something. Not really, but it's supposed to be really good for you. Anyway, we need to create a viral video and sell this thing. We'll do this by creating an AI influencer promoting the product for us. And this is not one of those mid-journey created avatars that doesn't look real at all. We're going to create an ultra-realistic avatar that you wouldn't be able to tell is generated with AI. And there's quite a lot of steps we'll go through. So grab a pen and paper and stick with me. If you're not in one of the eligible countries, you need to head over to this website right here and get yourself a US TikTok account. When you log into this account, you'll have access to the TikTok shop. The video to make things easy, I've created this for step blueprint for you to follow. Script, voiceover, avatar creation, editing. First off, we need a script. It has to be unique, engaging, and sell the product. I know creating a script can be a real pain in the ass, so I found an easier way to do it. Go back to Cow Data and choose a viral video from one of the top affiliates of the products, then go to the original video on TikTok and copy the link to head over to get subs, CC, and paste the link, download the text version, and you'll have the script used to make thousands of dollars with this product. But we can't just copy someone else's script, so we need to rewrite it a bit. Head over to ChatGPT and prompt something like this. It'll then rewrite it for you. Now you have a unique script with all the traits needed to go viral. The only part I'd recommend you to rewrite yourself is the hook. Just take a look at some other viral videos promoting the product and make something similar. Another thing you can do is to mispronounce some word on purpose. For example, make a little mistake like this. This will make people comment and point out the mistake, giving the video higher engagement. When you have your SC ready, you want to proceed to step 2. Perfect, this is the part that'll set you apart from all the rest. Head over to this website. Right here, it'll help you create an ultra-realistic talking avatar. Use their AI avatar feature and paste in your script. Choose the gender of your voice. You can really go with whatever you want, but since our product can be sold to both genders, I'll go with a female voice. Then choose any voice you like. And I think Anna is the best one, so I'll go with her to the left. You'll have tons of characters to choose from. I'd recommend you to go with this one, because I think she looks the most realistic. Click next, and it'll automatically create an AI influencer reading the script for you. Now we can't just show an avatar speaking for 30 seconds without anything else happening. People will get bored and leave. We need to show them the product. But don't forget, TikTok does not like it when you repost other people's content, so you can't just steal others' content of the product. Most likely you'll end up only getting a couple hundred views. If you want to give yourself the best odds of going viral, you need to order the product and record the content yourself. You don't have to make it complicated. Just show off the product in good lighting, and you're all set. It literally takes a minute or two. Now, we just need to add some social proof. You'll notice that a lot of viral videos have a positive comment about the products shown throughout the video. To find one of these, find a viral video and look for a comment that's recommending the product. This one, for example. Then you want to head over to this website where you can generate TikTok comments. Add a random username and paste in the comment and click on download. Only one step left now. For this part, you can use any editing software you like. I'll use CapCut just because it's simple and free. So create a new project and choose the right format, which is 9:116. Import all of the media and drag the footage of the product to the timeline. Do the same with the AI avatar video and place it above. Click on cutout and then on auto cutout to remove. The background, make sure to adjust the size a bit and put it down here. The video without captions sucks though. So click on text and then on auto captions, choose English as the language and press create. Read them through a couple times just to make sure the AI didn't miss anything. Then click on templates and choose an animation you like. Let's look at. Start off by adding music. Look at already viral videos and see what sounds are getting views. Then head over to YouTube, search up the song and download the video with any software you like. I'll use this one import the video and add it to the timeline. Right-click and press extract audio. This will separate the audio from the video so that you can delete the video and keep the audio then. And just like that, you have a viral video with the potential to make crazy amounts of money. Now just set up your account and post 1 to 2 videos like this per day. Then you just need to stay consistent. Don't post 5 videos and give up just because you didn't get enough views. You need to give it some time. This was our video for today. If you liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to the Digital Buddy channel, like the video, and share it. Thanks. See you soon in the next video.